Good morning, students. I am Sonia Purohit from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. In previous video, we discussed about agriculture practices. In this, we discussed preparation of soil, plugging with diagram. Now today, we are going to study about next part of chapter 1. Sowing. Sowing, it is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, it is necessary to select good quality, clean and healthy seed. How we can select good quality of seed? So we can find a good quality and more quantity of crops. Selection of seed. First, take a container, any type of container we can take. In this, fulfill with water and pour all seeds in this container. After some time, when we see some seeds are sink in the container and some are float on the water. Good quality seeds are sink in the water and damaged seeds are float on the water because they are hollow. That's why they can easily float on the water. So when sink seed means that is good quality seed. Traditional tools of sowing. Traditional tools means it used in previous time by the peoples. Traditional tools of sowing. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. We can see in these traditional tools in the picture. In this picture, it is funnel-like structure. In this, pass down through 2 or 3 pipes. These are pipes having sharp end, and these end pierce into the soil and place seed there. It is a traditional tools of sowing. Next method of sowing is seed drill. In seed drill, is used for sowing with the help of tractor. We use this technique in modern time. This sows the seed uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This method saves time and labor. We can see seed drill in the picture. It is a tools of seed drill. In this, seeds uniformly equal distance and depth we can sow easily. Next practice is manure and fertilizer. Manure, it is natural compost. It is made by animal and plant excreta. It is taken out from peels of vegetable and fruit which are taken out from our home. And fertilizer, mix chemical. When we mix chemical, then we produce fertilizer. What is the difference between manure and fertilizer? Fertilizer is a man-made inorganic salt and manure, it is a natural substance obtained by organic material. It is fertilizers prepared in factory and manure prepared in the field. Fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil and manure provide a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like NPK, N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. And manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Next, weeds. Weeds, it is a undesirable and unwanted plants grow naturally along with the crops. We can see in the field, in place of crop, we can see other type of crop in the field. We can remove weeds is called weeding. Weeding are controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicide like 2,4-D. Weeds means undesirable and unwanted plant which are not necessary for us and it grow naturally with crops. Thank you.